Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use the Garmin Forerunner 255 Music. To begin, power on your watch by pressing and holding the light button located on the upper left side. Next, download the Garmin Connect app to your smartphone and follow the on-screen instructions to pair your device. Once connected, you can personalize your watch by customizing watch faces and data fields to display the information most important to you during your activities. The Forerunner 255 Music allows you to enjoy your favorite tunes on the go. First, connect your watch to a Wi-Fi network to download music files or sync playlists from supported services like Spotify or Amazon Music. After your music is loaded, pair your Bluetooth headphones directly to the watch. This enables you to listen to music wirelessly during your runs or workouts, leaving your phone behind. Tracking your fitness journey is straightforward with this device. To start, select an activity profile such as running, cycling, or swimming from the activity menu. The built-in GPS will accurately measure your distance, pace, and route. You can also monitor your heart rate zones and training load, providing valuable insights into your performance and recovery. This helps you optimize your workouts for better results. Beyond basic tracking, the Forerunner 255 Music offers several advanced features. Explore daily suggested workouts tailored to your fitness level and recovery status. You can also use Garmin Pay for convenient contactless payments directly from your wrist, making quick purchases effortless. To maximize your device's usage, adjust display settings and GPS modes to extend the impressive battery life, ensuring it lasts through your longest adventures.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.